Manabi Tsuzu Kero, keep learning. I will continue learning. Manabi Tsuzu Kemasu. Chaosen challenge. I'm not afraid of challenges. Chaosen o ozoremasen. Kaizen improvement. I always seek improvement. Itsudemo kaizen o motomemasu. Doryoku effort. I believe in consistent effort. Keizoku teki na doryoku o shinjit daimasu. Jounetsu passion. I have passion for development. Kaihatsu ni jounetsu ga arimasu. Shinrai trust. I value trust in a team. Chimu no shinrai o taisetsu ni shimasu. Sekinin responsibility. I take responsibility for my work. Shigoto ni sekinin o mochimasu. In Shitsu quality, I focus on code quality. Koodo no Inshitsu ni shuuchu shimasu. Kyouchu cooperation, I work well with others. Hoka no hito to umako kyouchu dekimasu. Seijitsu sincerity, I am sincere in my work. Shigoto ni seijitsu desu. Juunan flexibility, I adapt to new environments. Atarashi kankyu ni teki ou dekimasu. Seiku success, I want to build successful products. Seiku suru seihin o tsukuritai desu. Shinen belief, I believe in continuous growth. Keizoku teki na seichu o shinji taimasu. Tsuyomi strength, my strength is problem solving. Watashi no tsuyomi wa mondai kaketsu desu. Yuwami weakness, my weakness is overthinking sometimes. Tokidoki kanga e sugiru koto ga yuwami desu. Jishin confidence, I am confident in my skills. Jibun no sukiru ni jishin ga arimasu. Junbi preparation, I am ready for my next opportunity. Tsugi no kikai ni junbi ga dekitemasu.